This is the welcome screen of Illustrator. Basically, from the welcome screen, you have two options. You can create a brand new file, or you can open up a file that you already have. The most recent file are shown in the lower part of the screen. Also, this is the home section. You can also have the learn section, which is really interesting. There are some very well done tutorial on the use of the software. Especially this one is the very basics. I really recommend you to go through this in case you don't have knowledge, you never opened this software, and maybe you can go to this and this one, for example. There are some content anyhow I will mention and talk about, but in case those tutorials are done extremely well, very simple, very clear, very easy. But today I want to go more into the direction of the logo design, so I'm going to create a brand new file. The unit of measure is millimeter for me. Horizontal page, let's get print A4, no points, millimeter please. Horizontal, and as usual I'm going to use 3mm of bleed, even if I'm not actually going to print this page. So I'm going to create, here we go, this is the page. It is in my style also to make visible the control panel. Right here is not actually mandatory because you have the property panel that basically mirror the same information, and also it is in my style to have the toolbar in the advanced mode, so I have more tools here available. So this is my usual default layout. Now I want to go ahead with the idea of the Tiger Hotel. So I want to go to File, Place, and I want to import an image. I retraced using, I retrace this image here. I just make it more simple. I want to place this image right in my page, and then I want to use the tools of Illustrator to make this image more perfect in order to convert this picture, which still has too many details, too many stuff, in order to make a logo. So the first thing I want to do is to go to the layer panel, and this is the layer that contains the image, so I'm going to double click image. I want also to see how this image will look like when mirrored, because the photograph of the tiger has not been took exactly from the front side, so I'm guessing that maybe I need to rotate a little this image, and just to be sure I want to go to duplicate this image to mirror, just to look how it is. So I'm getting the mirror tool. You see there is a little crosshair here. This is the center of the mirroring. Maybe I want to click and drag and set the center right here. And then I can, holding down the Shift key and the Alt key, I can mirror the image. So you see here the head of the tiger is very large. Probably I want to make something more narrower. I'm covering here by white, so I need to change a little the way in which the image works. So I don't want to reduce the opacity, but from here I want to set to multiply so I can see through the image. And yeah, this is okay, looks a little, probably I need to make more distance the ears. I'm going to lock this layer, and then I can start retrace the tiger.